Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export your video from CapCut straight to your gallery. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and open up your project. Let's say, for example, you're happy with your project right now and you wanted to save it. Okay. So what you'll do is first off, go ahead and select the highest resolution, okay, that you can use, for example, 30 or 60. Or if you have CapCut Pro, you can go ahead and export it or save it up to 4K. All right. If not, just leave it to 1080p or lower. And then once that's done, add in the bitrate. And after that, just tap on export right here. Wait for it to fully export. And then after that, you're good to go. All right. If you're using iOS, you'll have the more option right here. Okay. What you'll do is just tap on more. And once that's done, you'll be able to see a drop down. Just tap on save. Okay. Once you tap on save, it will be directly saved to your gallery. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.